Capital murder trial of Elkmont teenager Mason Sisk is underway right now. During opening statements today, the prosecution painted a picture of guilt they say is held together by Sisk's confession to then Limestone County Sheriff Mike Blakely.
But the defense says the story is not as clear as it seems. News 19 investigative reporter Dallas Parker has been in the courtroom all day today. She has the latest from the trial.
Day one of testimony has been rather eventful from the start. Limestone County District Attorney's Office, who's prosecuting Mason Sisk in this case, say he told Sheriff Blakely at that time that he was fed up with his family members and that's why he did what he did that night. But Sisk's defense team says the state's case doesn't make much sense, although they offered no reasoning as to why that's the case. However, testimony today gave us some insight into the relationship between Sisk's parents, some information that we hadn't been privy to before. We heard the 911 call dialed by Mason Sisk in court today as well. In that call, Sisk says he's freaking out because he heard 5 gunshots upstairs in his house. He then tells the dispatcher he was downstairs when everything happened and went upstairs to hear someone walking out of the front door. He said at that time he noticed everyone in his house had been shot, including the Athens Limestone 911 Center director who played that call. The state has called 4 witnesses so far: a teacher's aide at Elkmont School who came in contact with Sisk at school the week before the killings, and 2 family friends whose gun was stolen the night before the killings. The teacher, Lisa Watkins, says she considered Mary Sisk a friend and was concerned for Mason because he seemed troubled at school the week before his family was killed. But as the defense asked Watkins their own questions about the family dynamic, she testified that John was mean and degrading towards his wife and that she was surprised their marriage was lasting. A second witness called John Patty, also known as Uncle Gator to the Sisk children. Patty said the Sisk family had come to visit him and his wife in Florida the weekend before the crimes. During that trip, Patty's pistol went missing and the Sisks returned to Alabama. He testified he did not report the missing gun until he heard about the killings. He suspected his gun was involved, so he called it into the Limestone County Sheriff's Office. Angela Patty, John's wife, also called to the stand today. She says Mason Sisk was perfectly fine during the family vacation in Florida. Patty says John and Mary had some questions about infidelity in their relationship, and there was even concern that the infant child in the family was not John's biological child. As you just heard, a lot to digest here today at the Limestone County Courthouse. Of course, News 19's chief investigative reporter Brian Lawson will bring you some more updates later on this evening. For now, reporting in Limestone County, I'm Dallas Parker, News 19.